getting ready for the real world. Students at McCracken Middle School are taking part in a teen life skills activity designed to teach them crucial skills that will prepare them for success in the future. The young teens are taking part in several interactive learning experiences, including mock job interviews, writing thank you notes, making change, signing their name in cursive, practicing proper phone etiquette when making appointments, and more.
My favorite station was probably the interview one because it really got to help me have an idea, since we're getting to that age where we're probably gonna have interviews soon, and it's gonna help me kind of expect some of the questions that we might get, and it just really helped me.
The interview station stuck out the most because I think it was the most helpful to understand what would you normally be going through at a job interview.
The activities focus on skills the kids will need in school, work, and everyday life.
It's engaging to see the excitement in their eyes as they're doing their phone conversations or their job interviews, and I love that. So I hope they'll take this as a memory, lock it away, and remember these tips to help guide them through their teen years and getting that first job.
The school librarian planned out this project after seeing some of her former students go on a job interview.
I happened to be walking into a local fast food restaurant and saw two of my former students in there who were meeting with the manager for jobs. And it struck me that maybe there were some things we could do for them at school to help prepare them for those steps.
Students are finding some of the activities to be very challenging.
Actually, to learn how to tie a tie, that was really entertaining. Kids don't really use ties, and when we learned how to do it, it was really entertaining and it was really fun.
The Teen Life Skills Project is a collaborative effort between the library and ELA classes, with several of the activities designed to enhance the students' writing and speaking skills.
Building fluency and being able to communicate without having issues and being scared, and all that self-confidence is just amazing to do.
Each class spent about an hour engaging in the activities.
I think the reason why we should do this is because it's going to help us whenever we try to get a job or we're going to apply, because it's going to get us to know what we need to do and what we need to say and what we need to put down on our applications.
All 8th grade students took part in the Teen Life Skills activities.
Okay, then you come around again.
At McCracken Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Okay. Don't twist this. Keep it straight like this.